Hi guys, so today I'm back with another video, and this one is about the bird of paradise. So the bird of paradise is native to South Africa, and it's one of also my favorite plants just because of the flower that blooms in late September and October. So let's talk about plant care and how to maintain your bird of paradise. Watering. So when watering your bird of paradise, remember, if it's indoors, make sure that the topsoil is dry. They also love to be in moist soil, and they need to be in a pot that has drainage. So even though if it's indoors or out, I always recommend that it's in a pot that has drainage. And I water once a week. And I also, if it's outdoors, I water every 3 times a week when it's outdoors, when it gets over 80 degrees. Pests. So what kind of pests does the bird of paradise suffer with? They suffer with glasshouse insects, red spider mites, and mealybugs. So remember that you could always use an insecticide. And what I did is, before planting these, I actually sprayed the bottom of the roots and the top of the plant, and it's worked wonders. So remember that. Use an insecticide. So how much sunlight does the bird of paradise need? So the bird of paradise needs 6 to 8 hours. And it does love bright light and indirect light. So remember that when you're positioning your bird of paradise. Pets. So are these toxic to pets? Yes. When having a cat or dog, make sure that this plant is put somewhere where they're not going to be in reach of it, because it's very toxic and they will get sick. So when should you fertilize your bird of paradise? You should fertilize in spring and summer. You should do it once a month, and it should be an all liquid feed for your bird of paradise. Flowering. So the birds of paradise do flower. If they're indoors, they need a lot of sun requirement for them to bloom indoors, and if they're outdoors, they do bloom the end of September and October. So mine haven't bloomed yet because it's not September yet, but I will show you a picture of this flower right here, and it's going to show you the color, the shape, and how beautiful this bird of paradise could bloom for you. So are the birds of paradise easy or hard? They're easy. I recommend these plants to a beginner because of the fact that they just need 3 basic pointers. They love to be in soil that's moist, and they love bright and indirect light, and they love a pot that has drainage. So if you have those 3 things, your birds of paradise are gonna be just fine. So it comes to the end of this video, and I want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for my next video, 5 things that kill your houseplant.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing.